Hey guys, it's Barkat here. Welcome to the lesson 5 of Google Ads course 2024, and in this video I will cover conversion tracking setup with GTM and website and call tracking setup and how to test all of these things properly, because as you know that this is the most important thing to set up a campaign, so if you are not tracking the conversions properly, so you can't optimize your campaign properly. I believe I will see you in the main video after this short intro video. In lesson 5, the most important thing is we will talk about the call conversion tracking and how to track conversion tracking setup. Let's say lead from submission or maybe survey submission or something, and how to track this kind of things using GTM, Google Tag Manager. I believe I already covered these both things on my channel before, so I am thinking that not to cover these topics again on my channel, because as I mentioned that I already covered these two things on my channel. So I believe if you check this two video and you will get everything related to the conversion tracking. I believe you will not have one single question regarding the conversion tracking. So if I show you the video what I covered before, so let me show you one thing. So here you can see how to set up the conversion tracking in Google Ads 2024, and this is the main video, and this is 15-minute long videos. I believe if you watch this video very carefully, you will have the proper understanding related to the conversion tracking in Google Ads, how to set up from submissions or maybe survey submissions, everything, each and everything I covered in this video. And if you check this one, how to set up Google Ads call tracking conversions, you will have each and everything for the call tracking setup properly and attached with your Google Ads conversion tab or actions. So, and this video is like 14 minutes or something, so in total I can say it's 28 minutes or something. So if you watch these two video, you will have a proper understanding how Google Ads conversion works inside the Google Ads accounts. So that's why I am not recording these one more time, because I think it's a kind of waste of time to if I record this one, because it's already on my channel. So once you check this two video and you set up the conversion tracking properly, so you are good to set up the campaign, and I will cover how to set up the campaign on the lesson 6. But before watching the lesson 6, you must cover this lesson, lesson 5, because as you know that conversion tracking is pretty solid thing in Google Ads, and you must you have to done this conversion tracking before set up the campaign, because so if you don't the conversion tracking properly in your Google Ads account, you can't optimize the Google Ads account very well. So that's why it's pretty important to set up the conversion tracking very well in the Google Ads account dashboard. I hope you got my point, and that's why I am not recording this video one more time, because it's already on my channel, as I mentioned that. So thanks for watching this video, and let me know if you have any question regarding this two video, and as I mentioned that I will link this video on my description. So if you have any question, feel free to ask me anything regarding the conversion tracking. I will try my best to help you to set up the conversion tracking properly. So that's it for today, and I will see you on the lesson 6. Have a great day. Bye bye.